If you're just getting started, here are the extensions we recommend trying out. ESLint. The extension uses the ESLint library installed in the Open Workspace folder. If the folder doesn't provide one, the extension looks for a global install version. If you haven't installed ESLint either locally or globally, do so by running npm install ESLint in the Workspace folder for a local install, or npm install GESLint for a global install. SonarLint helps you find and fix bugs and security issues as you code. The extension runs in the background and, just like a spell checker, highlights coding issues. SonarLint not only tells you what the issue is, but also provides in-context guidance on why an issue is harmful and how to fix it, with related examples. The extension supports 200+ JS/TS rules and includes several quick fixes to automatically handle your coding issues. Search for SonarLint in the vscode marketplace and install. No configuration is required. You can start with a default profile that fits most users and customize it based on your specific needs. JavaScript ES6 code snippets. vscode comes with many built-in code snippets. The JavaScript ES6 code snippets extension adds snippets for ES6 ECMAScript 6 syntax. Here is a small sampling of the snippets provided by this extension. See the extension's README to see the dozens of snippets this pack gives you. npm IntelliSense. This extension provides IntelliSense for npm modules when using import or require. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.